Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Try this. 7x plus 3 equals 10. Try solving this and let me know what the answer is.
Okay.
This is a one-step equation.
X equals 0.
X equals 0. What did you do first? What was the first step?
I did 7 plus 3. It's 10.
You can't do 7 plus 3 because this is 7x and this is just 3. You can't add variables like that, right? You can add variable with a variable. You remember like terms? I taught you this.
Yeah.
You can only add or subtract like terms, right?
Yeah.
If there is 7x, if the other was 3x, then you could have said it is 10x. But one is 7x, other is just 3. This does not have any variable associated with it.
Okay.
So we want to add it that way. Okay. You want me to solve this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just show you how to do it. Okay, 7x plus 3 equals 10. What is our aim? Our aim is to find x, right?
Yeah.
Find the value of x. What is stopping me from finding x? This 3 is stopping me, right?
Yeah.
And also this 7 is stopping me.
Yeah.
Correct. Once I get rid of this 3 and I get rid of this 7, I'll be able to find x, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll show you how to do it. Now first we'll get rid of this 3, okay? How do I get rid of plus 3? Yeah, you're right. Go on.
You subtract.
Exactly. What do I subtract?
10 minus 7.
No. You have to get rid of 3, right? If it is plus 3, how can you get rid of 3? If you subtract 3, right?
Yeah.
It just goes off. So subtract 3 on both sides. Okay, what will be the left hand side? It will be 7x plus 3 minus 3, correct?
Yeah.
And what will be the right hand side? It will be just 10 minus 3. So I've subtracted 3 on both sides. Correct?
Yeah.
And what does this simplify to?
7x equals 7.
Exactly. Now what is stopping me from finding x?
The 7.
The 7, right? So 7x is nothing but 7 into x. So how can I get rid of this 7 into x?
You subtract 7 on both sides?
No, you can't do that.
You subtract x? Wait.
You have to look at the inverse operation, okay? See, for example, here there was plus 3 which was bothering me. So I used minus 3. I subtracted 3. Exactly, right?
Oh.
So for plus, I used minus. For multiplication, what should I use?
Division.
Exactly. So what do I do?
You divide.
Divide by 7 on both sides, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
So what's going to happen? It's 7x divided by 7 equals 7 divided by 7.
Okay.
Now tell me the answer. What is it? Okay, I can just cancel this off, right? 7 and 7.
X equals 1.
Exactly. That's the answer.
Okay.
Did you understand this?
Yeah.
Should we practice this more?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you written this down?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's move on. Should I clear this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try another example. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try and do this. Let's do the first one. 9c plus 1 equals 10.
Wait, I thought we were doing one-step equations.
Yeah, but two step. Actually, we ended up doing two steps. I mean, the one which I told you. One step is easy. One step is going to be like this. See, one step equation is 7x equals 3. What is x?
Oh,
What is
4.
top? No, not 4.
Wait,
Tell me, what is stopping me from finding x?
the 3.
3,
Oh, the 7.
7.
The equal.
No, the equal. Very nice. It's 7, right? Because x is associated with 7. 3 is individual. 3 is separate. Correct. It's on the other side. So 7 into x is 3. So how do I remove this 7? What do I do if it is multiplication?
You divide 3 on both sides.
Divide 3. 3 is not stopping me. 3 is independent. I don't care
And
about
divide
3.
x on both sides.
Divided by x.
Wait, no.
See, tell me, what is stopping me from finding x?
Equal sign.
No, it is 7. Are you getting
Oh,
this? 7x
yeah.
equals 3. This 7 is stopping me from finding x value. So if I remove this 7, I can find x, correct?
Yeah.
Now tell me, 7 into x is 3. How do I get rid of 7 when it is 7 into x?
You divide 7.
Exactly. You divide 7 on both sides. You end up with x equals 3 by 7.
Okay.
Okay, let's do some one-step inequalities then before going to two steps. I think you need a lot of practice here. Try and do these. Okay, first one. Let me draw it on the 10 equals z plus 6. Okay, let me do it on
Yeah,
the
the
pit.
answer is 4.
10 equals z plus 6. Yeah, how did you get the answer as 4?
I did 10 minus 6.
Exactly. So see here, what's stopping me from finding z? It's the 6, right?
Yeah.
How do I get rid of plus 6?
You subtract.
Yes, you subtract 6 on both sides. You get 10 minus 6 equals z plus 6 minus 6. So you get 10 minus 6 is 4. Here's 6 gets 6 minus 6 is 0. So z equals 4.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Try doing second, third, fourth, and fifth. Let me know when you're done. It's the same. Okay. First, find out what is stopping me from finding the variable, and then see what you have to do, whether you have to subtract or divide.
Okay.
Okay. Let me know when you're done. Oops.
Done.
Done. Okay. Let's check the answer. What's the answer to the second one?
Y equals 6.
Yes, you're right. This one,
Um,
third.
Q equals 13.
Perfect.
And then A equals 36.
Yes.
And then R equals 21.
Awesome. So you know how to do one-step inequalities now. I mean, one-step equations. This. These are again one-step inequalities. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Can we try the first one? Okay, I'll show you one, okay, and then you'll have to do the other.
Okay.
Yeah. 9c plus 1 equals 10. Let me bring my whiteboard. 9c plus 1 equals 10. So in two-step inequalities, there are two things that are stopping me from finding the value of c. Okay, which are those? One is this 1, which is stopping me, and other is the 9, which is stopping me, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I get rid of this 9 and 1, I would be able to find c. So that's my objective, to get rid of this 1 and get rid of this 9. Okay.
Okay.
So first thing, it's easy to get rid of 1, right? What should I do? If it is plus 1, how do I get rid of 1?
You subtract.
Yes, you're right.
You subtract 10.
No, not 10. See, what's stopping me? 1 is stopping me. So you subtract 1. Whatever is stopping you, subtract using that number. Don't think of anything else.
Okay. So
Okay.
subtract 1 on both sides.
Exactly. See, if 1 is stopping, I'll subtract 1. If 2 is stopping, I'll subtract 2. Okay.
Okay.
And I'll subtract 1 on both sides. Okay. What will I get? 9c plus 1 minus 1 equals 10 minus 1. If I simplify this, 9c will be equal to 9, correct?
Yeah.
Now what is stopping me now? Now this is like your one-step equation.
Now the 9, the first
Exactly.
one.
So you have 9 into c. How do I get rid of it?
You divide 9 on both sides.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. So 9c by 9 equals 9 by 9. What is c then?
C is 1.
Exactly. Okay, have you written this down?
Okay.
Okay, I'll solve one more. Then I'll give you some
Okay.
other problems. Let's see which is the next one. Let's do some random problem here. Can we do the 7th one? This looks a little complicated, right?
Yeah.
Shall we do this?
Okay.
N minus 31 divided by 4 equals to. Okay. N minus 31 divided by 4 equals to, correct?
Yeah.
So tell me, what are the two things stopping me?
The 31.
Yes.
And the 4.
And the 4, right?
Yeah.
Now I can't remove 31 first, correct? Because this 4 is applicable for both.
Yeah.
Right? So first I have to get rid of this 4. So tell me, it is divided by 4. How do I get rid of divided by 4?
You multiply.
Correct.
Yeah, you multiply. You multiply by
What am I getting rid of? Yeah, don't think of any other number, okay? Just think of the number you want to get rid of. Multiply by 4 on both sides. Okay. So I have n minus 31 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 2 multiplied by 4, correct?
Yeah.
Can I cancel this 4 and 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, what will I left? I will be left with n minus 31.
1 equals 8.
Yes, can you do it now further? Now what is stopping me?
Now the 31.
Yes, minus 31, right?
Yeah.
How do you get rid of minus 31?
You add
Hmm.
31
Hmm.
on both sides.
Yes. So n minus 31 plus 31 equals 8 plus 31, correct?
Yeah.
So n equals
N equals n minus 6. Wait, let me see. 62 equals 30. Wait, I got n minus 62 equals 39.
n minus 60. Did you subtract 31?
Now I added 31.
So how did you get minus 62?
Because 31 plus 31 is 62.
No, but this is n minus 31, right? Okay. Minus 31 plus 31.
Wait, so how do we solve that?
What is minus 31 plus 31? Tell me, what is minus 2 plus 2?
It's -4.
No.
Wait,
You don't know this? Strange.
wait, it's 4.
No, it's not 4. Let's take a number line now. Okay, I have to go and teach you number line now. That's okay. Maybe I just confused. You know this, right? You know number line, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Which is my first number?
-2.
I start with 0. Okay. So if I go to -2, where will I reach? 2 steps to the left, right?
Yeah.
Now I have to go plus 2. So 2 steps to the right, right?
Yeah.
So I'll go here. I'll go here. Where did I reach?
0.
What is the answer?
0.
Exactly. If there is negative and positive of the same number, answer is always going to be 0, right?
Yeah.
I'll tell you one more way of looking. Yeah, see, if it is -2 plus 2, okay, instead of writing like this, what I'll do is I'll write this first and then I'll write this. What is 2 minus 2?
Oh, 0.
Exactly.
Okay.
Just because I put the numbers in a reverse way, I got confused. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is n now? What is the final answer?
0.
N is 0. Is n 0?
And now n is 39.
Exactly. Okay, awesome. You got the idea. Now try solving few problems on your own, okay?
Okay.
Let me open that sheet again.